Auto insurance and its coverages, liability coverage, bodily injury liability, BI, covers the medical expenses, rehabilitation, and sometimes lost wages for people injured in an accident for which you are at fault. Coverage limits are often expressed as two amounts, e.g., 50-100, where the first number is the maximum coverage per person and the second is the maximum coverage per accident. Property damage liability, PD, covers damage to another person's property, e.g., their car, fence, or building, when you are at fault in an accident. Like BI, coverage limits are expressed as two amounts. Collision coverage covers the cost of repairing or replacing your vehicle after a collision, regardless of fault. Typically, you'll choose a deductible, the amount you pay out of pocket before insurance kicks in, and the insurer covers the remaining costs. Comprehensive coverage covers damage to your vehicle from non-collision events such as theft, vandalism, fire, natural disasters, or hitting an animal. Like collision coverage, you choose a deductible. Medical payments, MedPay, or personal injury protection, PIP. MedPay covers medical expenses for you and your passengers regardless of fault. PIP provides broader coverage, including medical expenses, lost wages, and other expenses related to injuries, regardless of fault. PIP is required in some no-fault insurance states. Uninsured, underinsured motorist coverage, UM/UIM, protects you if you're in an accident with a driver who doesn't have insurance, uninsured, or doesn't have enough insurance, underinsured. This coverage can include both bodily injury and property damage. Rental reimbursement coverage pays for the cost of renting a replacement vehicle while your car is being repaired due to a covered event. Typically has a daily limit and a maximum total reimbursement amount. Towing and labor coverage pays for the cost of towing your car to a repair shop and may cover certain labor costs associated with a breakdown. Coverage limits may apply. Gap insurance, useful for new cars or vehicles with loans or leases, covers the difference, or gap, between the actual cash value of your vehicle and the amount you owe on your car loan or lease if your car is totaled. Usage-based insurance involves tracking your driving habits using telematics devices or smartphone apps. Premiums may be adjusted based on factors such as mileage, speed, braking patterns, and the time of day you drive. Policy limits and deductibles. Policy limits: the maximum amount your insurance company will pay for covered losses. Deductibles: the amount you agree to pay out of pocket before your insurance coverage kicks in. When selecting auto insurance, it's crucial to assess your individual needs, consider your budget, and comply with legal requirements in your jurisdiction. Be sure to understand the terms and conditions of your policy, including any exclusions or limitations, and regularly review and update your coverage as your circumstances change. Shopping around for quotes from different insurers can help you find the best coverage at the most competitive rates.